Alright, let's get a little video going. Rock Auto ordered all these parts literally yesterday. Most of them came. I got a couple other things coming. Let's see what's in these packages. So, it's all for the front end. One of the tie rod end adjusting sleeves. Let's see what else we got. There's probably another tie rod end adjusting sleeve. The box looks very similar. Yep, same thing. Need two of those. Alright, this is a tie rod. One of these is for front right. I gotta figure out all that. That's cool. See another one. Let's see. The part numbers will be on the box, so I'll be able to tell. Well, I think the length should be different too. Hardware, everything new. Moog. Everything is Moog. I got everything Moog. Everything Moog. It's expensive. Almost $500. Like $440 something after shipping. Then we got these two gigantic long boxes. One of them should be the track bar, I think, maybe. Let's see. Maybe the track bar didn't come yet. That could probably be one of the things that didn't come. Let's package this. Package. Yeah, this is the track bar. This fucking big, heavy piece of metal. This is the track bar. Let's take a look at it. Now, I don't think I needed to replace my track bar, but since I was here, I figured might as well get it. Everything on this damn truck is big brand new. New motor, transmission got rebuilt, the differential got reshimmed, new bearings, the rear disc and the front disc got reshimmed. Not new bearings in the front, but the transfer case got rebuilt. Alright. Hardware. Oh my god, this thing is monstrous. Alright. Big monster track bar. This one's apparently supposed to be stronger than OEM. That was another reason why I got it. Figured might as well put the upgrade on while we're there. Yeah, it's a Dodge Ram 2500, 2002. It's like my favorite truck, honestly. It really is. Like, even though it's given me so much trouble since I bought it, and I had to, you know, do all this work to it. It's been a great learning experience, I can say that, and I've been doing it with my dad, so it's been alright. It's been pretty fun. Now, I'm wondering if this is both of the tie rod ends, because if it is, I damn near have everything. What am I missing? The thing for the pitman arm, maybe? The drag link I could be missing? Or either that, we'll find out right now. I'm struggling. More bubble wrap. That's cool. In a box. Again. No two pieces though, so only one piece, and this looks damaged and no Moog. No, there's a Moog labeling. DS. So this has got to be, I don't know which one this is off the top of my head. One of them's the outer from the left. Yeah, it's just one of them though. Damn though, they didn't package this too good like they did the other one, because you see the stud was banging through, making holes. That wasn't from me, that was just, I just unpackaged it, was like that. So you see, this one's even longer than the track bar, but it don't have the mass that the track bar had. So yeah, those adjusting sleeves go on the end of this, and I'm gonna definitely grease these threads or put anti-seize on them, because they're gonna corrode, fill with mud again. And yeah, the reason why I'm replacing mine is because the ends are bad. so they're jumping around, and I would like to show that, but maybe I'll get a video of that before I replace it. Yeah, nothing else in this box. Just a whole lot of nothing. Just more bubble wrap. Alright, that's the video. That was the unboxing. So let's get a... Oh, I can't even do a walk around of the truck. Can't flip the camera. Real quick. Ton of work to it. New shocks. Literally everything. Now I'm gonna do the front end, all of that. Which, I mean, it's not too rusty, honestly. But a couple of these are bad. The one to the pitman arm's bad. Stuff like that. So, yeah. Painted my hubs. Oh yeah, new bearings and everything. Like, just so much stuff. Painted a ton of stuff. New U-joints in the front. Just a whole slew of work to this truck. So, yeah, thanks for watching.